What's up, everybody? It is the next day, and as you can see, I don't even know what day this is. I've been at this really for uh, about 2 weeks, probably now. So today we're going to work on this alternator some more. What we did yesterday is we got that. Where is it? We got this off the back of the coolant lines, and it wasn't that hard. But now we have to get. The coolant line it's right there. You see the line going up there, and it's really attached to the alternator. You can see the bump there. That's the passenger side, and that's the driver's side. And they're not really wanting to come out for me, so I soaked them in some PB Blaster overnight, and I'm gonna see if I can pull them off. Another thing behind here, I took off an electrical connector that goes to the alternator as well. And due to the car being 17 years old and all the heat that develops between the engine and the alternator, that plastic was very brittle. So as soon as I pushed a little thing down to pull it out, that thing just broke. And then I tried to push it down again, it just broke. I mean, it just broke into a bunch of pieces, and I just had to pull it out. Fortunately, though, even with it breaking like that, it was like still snapped and secured into the alternator. So when I put it into the new alternator, hopefully it stays very secure then as well. I really don't think it'll be an issue, but we'll see. So the next thing is another thing connected to the back of the alternator, which is the positive cable. So the positive cable wire is back there as well, and it's secured on by a nut, I'm sure, because there's a post that comes off of the alternator, and it looks like it's probably like a 12 millimeter. So we're gonna work on getting that loose and the pipes loose. Those are the only things we have left, and then this thing can finally come free. At least I presume. I was told that it might be something else back there, so we'll see. I just wanted to update how excited I am to say that the PB Blaster worked just fine. I just now reached down there and just grabbed it by the pipe, and it just started moving. So that's great news. I'll be able to get that out soon and then have some more room to try to reach that nut. All right, as you can see, I got it off. It was really easy too. So one thing down, two more, maybe three. Hopefully it's just two to go. And it's ready to come off. Okay, if you can reach. It did let it fall, that's fine. I can get another nut, but it's just gonna fall down into the, I probably don't want it to fall down into the thing, but just, it's fine, I can get another nut. You got it? Oh my gosh, okay. The hero of the hour. If you guys have little hands, it was no way I was gonna be able to do this. My wife came through and she got that nut off the back of the power cable. She got the cap off first, And then she was able to get this nut. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Isn't that amazing? Okay, yeah, and she was able to get this off. She used a short ratchet. I bought one too, a real short one. I ain't even need it. But used a short ratchet that's come with a traditional Husky set. And then she was able to get this thing off. Now, this was on real tight. I would say this probably was on maybe like with 50 to 70 pound-feet of torque. So she was able to slip it on there, and I went on there and broke it loose, and she just finished it off. Oh my gosh, this thing is done. Oh, one thing, you think you could grab the coolant line? Also, the other thing, I can't, it's only one on there. I can't get the driver's side coolant line off. But that's it. That should be the only thing. Okay, hold on. Don't touch it because there's nothing holding it on anymore. So it might fall. I mean, I might be able to just pull it out and tilt it off and get it off myself. Alright, so all this down here, I gotta take that loose, which I gotta take it loose anyway, so because I got the hose to replace it, but the alternator is way looser than it was before, as you can see. I'm gonna spray that hose with some more PB Blaster and let it soak. So I wasn't able to get it good yesterday. And then while that's soaking, I'm gonna go ahead and work on these other hoses. Then I'll see if I can wiggle it. If not, I'll just wait till tomorrow. I'm happy. Yes. Oh boy. Oh, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We done. And my wife is the real MVP here. Oh man, I couldn't have done it without her. So what needs to happen now is I need to get these O-rings off. Now that one, yeah, that one look like it's a little, that one looks like it might be a little chewed up a bit. But, yeah, y'all, and of course, you see, I broke this connector right here. So hopefully that doesn't turn out to be an issue when I plug it into the new alternator. So we'll see. But this is what that cavity looks like. That wasn't fun. This is for real the hardest thing I've ever done on a car before. So also had the pulleys. I'm doing all this easy stuff. Pulleys, the water pump. I gotta change that as well. I have that to do. And I don't think that that's gonna be incredibly difficult. Yeah, I'm ready to take a break. But I do have to get all that stuff off. I might do that today. But I think I'm going to reward my efforts and my wife. And You've been the cause of quite some drama. That's cool. So here's the thing. These don't come with pulleys now. I know somebody who reused their old pulley. The new pulley, if you buy it from Volkswagen, is 100 and like 105. It's something really ridiculous for the pulley. What I did though, I got it off of eBay. I found a person selling it, and it was, genuine Volkswagen parts for $40. So I bought that. Return the other one. So we almost there, y'all. Almost there. And I'm gonna just say thanks for watching this episode. Next episode will be me cleaning that up, replacing all the easy stuff here, as well as the water pump. And we'll do that before I put the new one in, because coolant might fly out of the water pump, and I don't want it to interfere with the new alternator. So I'm going to change the water pump, change the pulleys, and then we're going to install the new alternator. See you next time.